and Atmaram. Meantime, we have the green signal there by the umpire. Here is the first delivery of the first over. Shivananda will bowl this one to the left-handed batsman from the Sahyadri College end. That's a very fine delivery, ball pitching right into the block hole. Batsman played it defensively forward, giving full respect to that delivery, not for runs. The 12th man of Mumbai Paltans, please come to the commentator's box. Shivananda balls this one for the second time. It's over from the Sahyadri College end. Goes for a big one. Ball is in the air. It could be out as the fielder is underneath it and is out. That was a shot of leg delivery, and the batsman wanted to go for a big hit. Not from the middle of the bat. Not a fully controlled stroke. As a result, making no mistake, got it beautifully. A big blow for Mumbai Paltans, and they are in trouble now.
Hello, Mumbai Paltans sacha 12th man urgent ange hoka. Mumbai Paltans sacha 12th man.
So this is a match between two semi-final losers. So winners will get the third prize in this Puzalana GPL trophy. Umpires, please stop the match. We need the 12th man's cooperation here. So Prasad and Sharat are the two batsmen in the middle there. The skipper of Mumbai Paltans, Sharat, is at the non-striker's end, and Prasad, a very dangerous batsman, he is on strike. The successful bowler, Shivananda, continuing in the right arm, round the wicket fashion. Played it elegantly towards the square leg region. There is a fielder, there is a protection in the deep, but before the fielder can pick it up and throws back to the bowler, there is ample time for both these two batsmen to go for an easy single. Kodia Sports Association are organizing this wonderful cricket tournament here. For this fourth time they are conducting this tournament. Shivananda is the bowler to bowl the next delivery of the over from the Sahyadri Engineering College end. And man on strike is Sharat Prabhu, the skipper of Mumbai Paltans. Mumbai Paltans were defeated by Kodial Super Kings in their second semi-final match. Ball wraps on the pad, loud appeal there, loud appeal for leg before the wicket. Umpire says not out. Leg by has been signaled here.
Te flexa edra baisilan dekon bitar baisuka. Boundary line alage flexa edra baisilani flexa bitar baisuka. Flexa edra baisana.
Prasad once again ready to take the strike now. Shivananda will continue from the commentator's box end. Here is the next delivery in the right. That's a very fine delivery, pitching right into the block hole, and the batsman played it defensively forward. And he takes a quick single here. Single to Prasad. With that single, Prasad is straight away off the mark. And the score now moves on to 4. Sharat Prabhu, Bully is his nickname. He is on strike now. He will be facing the bowler Shivananda. Gently pushing the ball onto the onside, turned away to the square leg region. He played the shot near the square leg umpire, and before the fielder can pick it up and throws back to the bowler, these two batsmen have completed a single very comfortably here. So singles are coming more easily for Mumbai Paltans. First 2 overs will be a power play. That means only 2 fielders are allowed to stand outside the 30-yard circles. So the batsmen have to go for some big hits. They need some boundaries or sixers at this stage of the game to accelerate their score. So cool atmosphere here today at Sahyadri College ground. Crowd is more than expected. We can see some colorful banners all around the ground. We are thankful to those who have supported in giving these kinds of banners. We are also thankful to our donors who made this tournament a grand success. We hope your cooperation will continue throughout the tournament and throughout the future also. So change in the bowling position here. Sandeep has taken over from Shivananda. So Sandeep will be operating his over from the river range. So the man out is
एक मिनिट
Chirag.
कमेंट्री एक मिनिट जस्ट डेफ मॅच जाला तुम्ही पळून आसा बरो ताचे मॅन ऑफ द मॅचाचे प्रशस्ती वितरण जाता आसा मनोज नंबर 1 जर्सीचो मॅन ऑफ द मॅच प्रशस्ती समारंभ जाता सांगा श्रीयुत लक्ष्मण भक्ता हांनी ट्रॉफी दिवन हांगा पुरस्कृत कोरका म्हणून निमून घेता तशी आमगे सगळे समाज बांधवांना जोर क्लॅप मारनो तांकां प्रोत्साह दिवका डेफ मॅच चल्लेलो आसा तुमकां गोत आसा हांकां ऐकूच्या की लोचा ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ कष्ट जाता जलरी तुमगेले हत्र एक लायक क्रिकेट प्रदर्शनाన్ని केलेलं आसा TDMC मंगळूरू हांनी ह्या पंद्याट विन जालेलं आसा
Pulled away nicely on the onside. One bounce over the boundary rows for 4 runs. No chance for any fielders to stop that ball. That was a short of length delivery, and Sharat Prabhu taking the
श्रीनिवास TDMC चे कंग्रॅच्युलेशन श्रीनिवास हांका दिनकर मामाना प्रशस्ती दिवन ट्रॉफी दिवन कंग्रॅच्युलेशन दिवका म्हणून कंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स बेस्ट बॅट्समॅन अनुष TDMC चे अनुष हांका चंद्रकांत कामत मामाना ट्रॉफी आणि बहुमान दिवका म्हणून निमून घेता सांगे लोटूची तंदूर हाचे मालक जावन आशिल्ले श्रीयुत वादी हांनी ट्रॉफी दिवका म्हणून निमून घेता आसा सेकंड टीम म्हळ्यार सलवलाल टीम जाल्यार आमी हांकां प्रशस्ती दिवूंक जाता इता म्हळ्यार हांणी आमगे लोटयेन भागी जालेले हांकां रॉयल्स मंगळूरू हांगेल्या टीमाच्या कॅप्टनान येवका टीमाच कॅप्टनान रॉयल्स मंगळूरू हाजे टीमा कॅप्टनान येवन प्रशस्ती घेवका म्हणून निमून घेता आसा रॉयल्स मंगळूरू हाजे टीमा कॅप्टन कंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स मस्त धन्यवाद तुमकां आमगे लोटो भागी घेतिल्या का
So meanwhile, the match is going on here between Deadly Panthers of Kodialbay versus Mumbai Paltans. He goes for a big one. Ball is in the air, but he finds the gap there. The ball falling just short of man at square leg region. And meanwhile, no ball has been signaled.
तशीची विनिंग टीम तवलचे डेफ मॅचाचे विनिंग टीम TDMC मंगळूरू हांका प्रशस्ती दिवका म्हणून हांगा सकड आमगेल्या गण्याला घेवन निमून घेता आसा TDMC मंगळूरू कंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स सकड समाज बांधवान जोरू चप्पाळे मारनो तांकां प्रोत्साह दिवका अभिनंदन करका म्हणून निमून घेता आसा TDMC मंगळूरू कंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स Thank you. Over to commentary box.
So bowler Sandeep bowling from the river range. That ball keeping very, very low. Surprise the batsman. The batsman Sharat Prabhu doesn't know much about delivery. He doesn't have any clue. It's not out. So no damage done, no addition to the total. Score at the moment is 15 for the loss of 1 wicket. The man out was Chirag for duck. So end of the over number 2. So after the completion of 2 overs, Mumbai Paltans have scored 16 runs after losing 1 wicket of Chirag. Now these two batsmen are trying to build a good foundation for the rest of the team. They need to build a good platform here. We'll have to wait and see how many more runs they will be able to score in the remaining overs. A huge discussion is going on there among the players of Deadly Panthers, Kodialbay. They've got a very good batting lineup as well as good number of bowlers. They were defeated by Iruvatturu Sports Club of Manipal. And at the same time, Mumbai Paltans were defeated by Kodial Super Kings, one of the hot favorite team. Score at the moment is 16 for the loss of 1 wicket. So some confusion here in the scorecard. So inconvenience. So sorry for the inconvenience caused. So 15 runs on the scoreboard for Mumbai Paltans after the completion of 2 overs. So this match will be played of 7 overs match. 2 overs have been completed. So change in the bowling position here. So Pawan is the bowler to bowl the third over of the innings now. With a long run up, balls this one and batsman played it elegantly to the long on region. There is a fielder. So Sharat Prabhu will have to satisfy with only a single here. The bowlers of Deadly Panthers are doing excellent job here. They are perfectly bowling straight to the wicket. Wicket to wicket bowling is very much required in the limited overs matches. With a long run up, Pawan is ready to bowl the second delivery of the third over. From the Sahyadri College end, in the right arm, round the wicket fraction. And loud appeal there, loud appeal for leg before the wicket. Umpire says not out. So no damage done. Leg by has been signaled by umpire Harish Padil. With that leg by, that brings Sharat Prabhu back on strike now. He's a technically sound batsman. He can hit the ball, he can smash the ball all around the ground. He was playing for KBC Karkala in the last 3 GPL seasons. And now, this year, he is the skipper for Mumbai Paltans. A young man having lot of future, leading from the front. He has been playing a sheet anchor role for their team. They've got a very good batting lineup. Prasad is a man on strike there. He's one of the best batsmen in their team. And I think he is the batsman who has hit highest total individual score. So he is ready to bowl, ready to face the bowler now. Right arm round the wicket, balls this one to Prasad. Turned up nicely on the onside. There is a fielder. They come back for the second. No. Prasad wanted the second run, but Sharat Prabhu sends him back because he doesn't want to take any risk. So they will have to satisfy with only a single here. With that single, the scorecard of Mumbai Paltans slowly moves on to 19, and we are in the third over of the innings. Bowler continues from the commentator's box end. And that ball keeping very, very low, surprised the batsman. The batsman doesn't know much about delivery. He doesn't have any clue about that ball. Misses it completely. Very fine delivery, which beats the batsman. And ball went straight to the hands of the wicketkeeper. The rest of the job is done by wicketkeeper Shivananda. He returns the ball back to the bowler. Once again, the ball is in the hands of the bowler. Straight down the ground he played, crashing drive to the offside. There is a fielder at mid-off, but before the fielder at mid-off region collects the ball, these two batsmen have completed a single comfortably here. So that is the end of the over number 3. After the completion of 3 overs, it is 20 for the loss of 1 wicket. The first man out was Chirag for duck, and the two batsmen in the middle are Sharat Prabhu and Prasad. Prasad is batting on 5 and Sharat is batting on 10 runs with the 1 boundary in his innings. So discussion is going on there among the fielders. 3 overs have been bowled so far. Score remains on 20 runs. 20 with 1 wicket down. This is a 7 overs match. That means 4 more overs to go now. We'll have to wait and see how many more runs they will be able to score in the remaining 4 overs. So change in the bowling position here and change in the commentary position also. For further commentary, I would like to call Satish.
So thank you very much, Suresh Bhatt. They're back to this match as a 20 for the loss of 1 wicket after completion of 3 overs. And from the far end, river end, going to be a first delivery. Batsman quite neatly plays it down to a backward point region for a single. With that single, scoreboard moves on to 21 for the loss of 1 wicket. For the latecomers, you're watching this match as a competition for the 3rd place of this most prestigious GPL Trophy 2020. Both the teams lost their semi-final. So the little bit disappointment for both the teams because both the teams, they managed to play very well. They managed to perform very well in the league matches. But all in sudden, when they played the semi-final, under pressure game, they couldn't manage to perform and they faced a defeat. Improvising that one by playing the switch it down to deep backward point region. They completed single looking for the couple of runs. In comes a throw from the deep. Batsmen have to hurry for that. But at last they managed to complete the couple of runs in that occasion. 22 for the loss of 23 for the loss of 1 wicket. Prasad, of course, the batsman who couldn't manage to perform in the last 2 matches for Mumbai Paltons. This time, Joseph Fulton's batsman going for the full shot. Wicketkeeper underneath it, mischarging that one. Shivanand drops the catch, and Prasad has got a life here. With a lot of power, little bit early into the strokes. Ball came late to Prasad. Mistiming the ball, but Shiva Prasad, I think she little bit misjudging that catch. Again, nice looking drive down to deep long on for a single. With that single, scoreboard now moves on to 25 for the loss of 1 wicket. The over number of 4 in progress. There is no change of format of overs, 7 overs match. This is over number 4 in progress. Mumbai Paltons are looking for some score around 50 plus. Nicely Devan lofted that one down to deep long off region for a walkable single. And with that single, scoreboard now moves on to 26 for the loss of 1 wicket in the over number 4 in progress. Coming back to these two teams, Deadly Paltons, not that much of good performance in the semi-final. All in sudden, in the semi-final, they started to feel the pressure, and they are really, the batting department really struggled to get the runs on the board. And again, nice looking drive down to deep long off region for a single. So with that single scoreboard moves on to 27 after completion of 4 overs. Mumbai Paltans are searching for the right track and they're scoring at the rate of just over 6 runs per over. Wait and see how many runs they will going to score in the remaining 3 overs. Iruvatturu Sports Club, they came into the finals of this most prestigious GPL 2020, being the runners-up in the last year. Once again, they are unstoppable. They are winning runs. And suddenly they want to become the champion. Doesn't want to lose the opportunity to become the champion this year. At the same time, one more team, Kodial Super Kings, came into the finals. They're also second time they came into the finals. The first year GPL 2020, they become the runners. That means both the teams got into the final once in this fourth year cricket tournament, and suddenly both the teams want to become the champions of GPL 2020. Gautam is brought into attack, and Sharath is a batsman. Is on strike. For him, one at deep backward square, like one at deep mid wicket and deep long on. Deep long off is there. No mid off. There is short cover. Deep backward point, and one at gully region. Short fine leg is there. Quite interesting field set now. A lot of protection is given in the offside region. All 1, 2, 3, 4 fielders in the off and 5 fielders in the onside region. Gautam, right arm over the wicket to Sharath, short pitch delivery, and batsman waiting for that one, dispatching that one quite stylish down to deep cover boundary for 4 runs. GPL boundary came from the bat of Sharath. Gautam bowled that one short pitch delivery. Didn't have any ample face in that short pitch delivery, and he didn't got adequate field for that. Little margin for error when you are having fielders inside the ring in the covers region. The ball gets short again. One more delivery, which is going to be punishable as a Sharath doing I think moving little too much. Just he wanted to play the inside out cricketing stroke, moving towards onside to get one more boundary over the head of cover region, but he couldn't manage to do that so because he was going too much towards the onside region to get that over the deep cover region. That's why straight away now wicketkeeper behind the stump, Shivanand, running to his bowler Gautam not to bowl that kind of short pitch delivery to the batsman like Sharath, because already you conceded one boundary in that same delivery which is pitching short. And again Gautam bowling right arm over the wicket. Sharath premeditated switch it, got a maximum batter to that and got a maximum runs for that. GPL sixer coming from the bat of Sharath for Mumbai Paltans. Reverse stroke comes into play. Sharath premeditated switch it. Before the bowler started his run up, he took his own position to play the switch it, changing his position and got that one right from the middle. Again, trying for one more. This time, Gautam little bit clever, seeing the batsman's intention is going for the switch it, is bowling little bit away from him, little bit puller line delivery so that Sharath missed it completely. That's what really required for the bowlers, good bowlers. They need to see the intention of the batsman. And when he was changing his position, he need to see that where to bowl and where to pitch. And this time Gautam able to bowl that as a good line delivery to Sharath to beat his bat. Gautam bowls. This time Sharath going one more. Going to be one more. There's a bigger than, into that LED screen. Down at deep backward point region for a maximum. Second sixer came from the bat of Sharath. Followed by another 6. Gautam really punished here. Sharath is on fire. Going for the big shot. This time ball is hitting his body. They're going for the single. The wait for the umpire signal is definitely going to be a leg by. One more addition total productive over is comes in end of Gautam. Mumbai Falcons rightly back into this game with that expensive over ball there by Gautam. So after completion of over number 5, then Mumbai Falcons are in a right track of getting some good total here. 37 for the loss of 1 wicket. Little bit correction. 44. 44 for the loss of 1 wicket. Now is the run rate looks to be very, very healthy here. Over 10 runs per hour. All in sudden, the complexion of the match is changed because of one expensive over which is bowled there by Gautam in the highway hand. He bowled that over, and Sharath going after Gautam picked up 2 sixes in that over. So change in bowling. Pawan brought into attack. Very quality bowler. The bowler who got a very good tournament throughout the tournament. He bowled very well for deadly Panthers. Because of his contribution from the bowling, they are entering into the semi-final. Of course, they lost the match again. Lost the match in the semi-final, but still they are fighting hard for the 3rd place of this GPL 2020. Pawan. Long run up, almost he starts his run from the edge of the 30-yard circle. The Sharath will going to take the strike of the bowling of Pawan. Pawan has got 5 fielders in the offside. Again, that was Sharath sensible batting, quickly realizing that was the delivery which is very difficult to hit a big stroke, so just depended that one. Not only is depended that one, but at the same time is a soft hand comes into play to get the single down to a short third man region, and with that single scoreboard moves on to 45 for the loss of 1 wicket in the over number 6 in progress. Again, bowler from the far end. Around the wicket he balls, and Prasad again, sensible batting. They're going for the second run. In comes a throw from the deep. Ample time for the batsman to complete that couple of runs. Quite deliberately played there by Prasad. Soft hand comes into play. You know exactly the fielder is in the deep mid-wicket region, almost in the boundary line. So once he played it one little bit soft hand, then it was a long way to go for the fielder from the deep mid-wicket to come and collect. And Prasad just pushing his partner for the second run quite rightly. Sensible batting, absolutely sensible batting there from Prasad to get that couple of runs, and scoreboard moves on to 47 for the loss of 1 wicket. Absolutely fantastic atmosphere out here in this Sahyadri cricket ground. Look at the crowd here. Just like yesterday, it was a record number of spectators witnessing the day number 2. Now they came here to see that we'll go into the champions of 2020 GPL. Again, looking for the big shot. Prasad shuffling across the line of the delivery. Try to improvisation stroke down to deep mid-wicket or deep backward square leg. But this time Pawan is a very clever bowler. You know exactly what batsman will going to do in that occasion. So he's bowled further away outside the line of off stump, and there is no possibility of any run. Again, the batsman this time Prasad got a maximum here. Absolutely perfectly take. Prasad this time has got a neat connection of the bat. Sweet sound coming from the bat of Prasad, indicating that he's timed that one very well. GPL sixer coming. Pawan this time, Prasad going for the switch hit. I'm not quite able to beat that infield in the occasion. Of course, the intention is to get that past that infield, to get the boundary for that. And he picked up a single for that. With that single, scoreboard now moves on to 54 on the board for the loss of 1 wicket. Certainly, it's going to be a testing time for the batsmen, bowlers of deadly Panthers. How to stop these 2 batsmen, Prasad and then Sharath, really going after the bowlers. Pawan bowls, copybook style, straight back to bowler, opportunity of run out in the non-strikers, and at last they managed to pick the wicket here. The wicket of Prasad is back into pavilion, bowler's back drive, up stop by the bowler on his follow throw, picked up in the second attempt, then Prasad is out of a space, and wicket number 2 is back into pavilion. The partnership is just broken. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ನ ಕೀ ಬಿಸಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆ ತಲುಪಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಿದೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಬೈಕ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕೀ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So, Mumbai Paltans are looking towards a big score here. 6 overs completed, 54 for the loss of 2 wickets. Last over will going to commence from the highway end. Wait and see how these two batsmen are in the middle. Of course, Sharath is a well-settled batsman. Looks like he's going to get some big score for his team. Is batting on the Velvet 30, Sharath. And everybody knows that the highest individual score in this tournament is the first 50. The 50 came, the one day single 50 came in this tournament. Otherwise, it's going to be a second highest individual score of Sharath. Opportunity is still there for Sharath to get some big score for his team. But here is a striker, is Aditya, is facing Atharva. We're going to bowl the last over of the innings of Mumbai Paltans. This time chip that one quite deliberately. The batsmen know exactly what to do. The new batsman, you know exactly the batsman Sharath is well settled in the middle. His job is to pick the single and gives a strike to Sharath so that he can hit some big shots. Already he's entertained the crowd here in this competition of for the third place. He played some enterprising cricketing strokes, entertaining the crowds here. Now still 5 deliveries left in the innings of Mumbai Paltans. So wait and see how Sharath will going to take Atharva. This time bowler, that was seeing that the batsman going, playing with the emotion of the bowler, I will tell you, because before the bowler delivers the ball, batsman almost shuffling across the line of the delivery. So Atharva stops his run up. This time going for the pull shot, not quite able to hit that one shot. Batsman couldn't manage to read that bounce of the delivery. Little bit the ball is kept low so that batsman couldn't manage to hit that one properly. At the same time, I already mentioned a dew factor comes into play. Little bit greasy there and very difficult for the batsman as well to find the grip in his shoes. And here is a batsman working for the improvisation. Appeal for caught behind, but nothing has happened. Umpire Arish Padil is so experienced, know exactly what happened in this delivery. Batsman almost shuffling across the line of the delivery so that even though that ball going little bit outside the line of leg stamp, the fact that the batsman looking for the improvisation and the bowler quite deliberately bowled that line. That was a good change of line there by the bowler. Absolutely perfect. That was required for the bowler who is bowling last over. The need to see the intention of the batsman. Again, batsman looking for the big shot. Sharath missed it completely. Seems to be Athar is bowling a fantastic last over. Atharva is doing a fantastic job here in this last over for Deadly Panthers, as didn't allow the batsman to settle for the big shot. As Sharath trying for the big shot every time, looking for the improvisation, but not able to make a contact with the bat. One more leg by 56 for the loss of 2 wickets. Last 2 deliveries left in the innings for Mumbai Paltans. Atharva so far so good in this last over, keeps the batsman very quiet. Right, over the wicket balls, the batsman going for the pull shot. But again, definitely it's going to be a single for that, because fielder is there in the deep backward square-leg region. And batsman how to settle for the single. The wicket single scoreboard moves on to 57. Now it's going to be a last delivery of the innings of Mumbai Paltans, and strikes in the ends of Sharath. Will Sharath able to finish the innings in a big shot? Wait and see. Atharva so far done a fantastic job in this last over. He wanted to keep the batsman in the last ball as well. Wait and see who will going to win the race. whether it's the bowler or the batsman. Shivanand making a little bit of change in field, deep backward square leg feeder coming little bit squarer to prevent the boundary. Again, here is Atharva balls to Sharath. Went for the reverse save. Ball is in there. Deep long on. Feeder underneath it takes a catch. The fantastic over is comes to an end. And entertainment innings of Sharath is comes to an end in the last delivery of their innings. At last, it's Mumbai Paltans are finished their innings of 7 overs. Scored 57 valuable runs, losing just 2 wickets. So, total I will tell you. The more than 8 runs per over is the run rate required here for Deadly Panthers to grab the third place of this most prestigious cricket tournament. Excitement still left in this game, I will tell you, because Deadly Panthers, of course, their fails to perform in the semi-final, especially the batsmen, but certainly they got some fantastic batsmen in their side. They can chase that total score of 57 to become the winners of the third place of this most prestigious GPL 2020. So wait and see the reply from the batsmen of Deadly Panthers. Time to change in commentary box as well. It's time to ask Mr. Ajay Raj sir for to continue the commentary before the opening batsmen of Deadly Panthers entering into the ground. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू धन्यवाद सतीश जीपीएल 2020 फुजलोना जीपीएल 2020 में आए हुए इन तमाम दर्शकों को जो इस उम्मीद पर आए हैं कि जीपीएल मात्र एक क्रिकेट श्रृंखला नहीं है, एक महोत्सव है, एक ऐसी आयोजना जिसे कहते हैं जिसमें आपको सब कुछ देखने को मिलेगा। भारतवर्ष में जितना कुछ होता है वो सब कुछ यहाँ पर लाने का प्रयास जीपीएल के विशेष रूप से कोडियाल स्पोर्ट्स एसोसिएशन ने प्रयास किया है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद उनको। आइए इस मैच में आते हैं। तीसरे स्थान के लिए ये संघर्ष हो रहा है और आप जानते हैं कि मुंबई पल्टन्स जो कि पिछले सेमीफाइनल में परास्त हुई, वो इस वक्त तैयार हो रही है तीसरे स्थान को प्राप्त करने के लिए। उनके सामने है डेडली पैंथर्स। मुंबई के पल्टन्स ने टॉस जीता, पहले बल्लेबाजी करने का फैसला किया और 57 रन उन्होंने बटोरे। लक्ष्य है 58 रनों का। तो 58 रनों का लक्ष्य इस मैच को जीतने का। दोनों प्रारंभिक बल्लेबाज मैदान पर उतर चुके हैं। शाम का प्रहर, सूरज डूबकर अंधेरा हो चुका है, जबकि वक्त धीरे धीरे बीतता हुआ लगभग 7:40 हो चुके हैं, 50 मिनट हो चुके हैं। और विशेषता इस मैच में यह है कि आपको स्टेज के इस तरफ, यानी कि बड़े स्टेज के सामने आपको एक छोटा सा नन्हा सा बालक दिखाई पड़ेगा। नाम श्रेयस प्रभु है और उसका हुनर काबिले तारीफ है। ड्रम्स पर बैठा हुआ एक जबरदस्त कलाकार जो अपने धुन में मस्त है, अपने धुन को बजा रहा है आपका मनोरंजन करने के लिए। आइए पहले इस गेंद पर आते हैं। लंबी दौड़ के साथ इस दूसरी पारी की पहली गेंद बैकफुट पर जाकर कट करने का प्रयास, कुछ ज्यादा रफ्तार के साथ गेंद गई। समीर गेंद को लेकर आ रहे हैं। शिवानंद, जैसा मैं आपको पहले बता चुका हूं, थोड़ा सा लंबा डील डॉल है और मजबूत शरीर के धनी हैं, क्या कुछ कर पाते हैं। स्ट्राइक लेने के लिए तैयार हुए, जबकि समीर इस छोर से नेशनल हाईवे से ओवर द विकेट और पंच किया गेंद को, थोड़ी सी शॉर्ट ऑफ लेंथ थी और रनआउट का मौका शायद बने, जी नहीं। एक्स्ट्रा कवर पर फील्डर मौजूद थे, उन्होंने गेंद को उठा लिया, लेकिन इससे पहले कि वो नॉन स्ट्राइक एंड के दिशा में थ्रो कर पाते, दोनों बैट्समैन जो आपस में पहले हाँ ना कर रहे थे, आखिरकार उन्होंने चुरा लिया एक रन नाक के नीचे से। और अब जिम्मेदारी आ चुकी है स्ट्राइक एंड पर अतुल पर। एक रन बगैर किसी नुकसान के पहला ओवर चल रहा है और दर्शकों की तादाद देखते बन रही है कि ये महोत्सव कितना जबरदस्त है और कितने बड़े पैमाने पर इस क्रिकेट श्रृंखला को बनाया गया है। समीर तैयार हुए, ओवर द विकेट, उनकी गेंद, अच्छी गेंद, इस बार थोड़ा परिवर्तन किया, गेंद को लंबा कर दिया, ब्लॉक होल में डालना चाहते थे, बैट्समैन पहचान गए गेंद को, जल्दी ही उन्होंने बल्ले को ले आते हुए थोड़ा सा पुश कर दिया, बल्ले का भारी सिरा लेकर गेंद गई पॉइंट क्षेत्र में। एक रन लेने का अवसर है बैट्समैन के पास। एक के साथ कुल योग बढ़कर 2 पर आप देख रहे हो जीपीएल 2020। हालांकि धीरे धीरे वो घड़ी आपके सामने आ रही है जहां पर आपको इस जीपीएल 2020 का वो विजेता, वो चैंपियन मिलेगा, जो कि इतने 2-3 दिनों के दिन रात के परिश्रम से, मेहनत मशक्कत से जो परिश्रम किया उसका लाभ लेने का समय, उस खिताब को पाने का समय, जो कि इस मैच के पश्चात आपके सामने आएगा। ओवर द विकेट समीर की गेंद, शॉर्ट ऑफ लेंथ थी, शॉर्ट ऑफ गुड लेंथ कहना ठीक रहेगा, जी नहीं, शॉर्ट ऑफ लेंथ थी, टप्पा छोड़कर थोड़ा सा ऊपर निकल गई और बैट्समैन शिवानंद जल्दी ही गेंद को घूमकर खेलने के प्रयास में मिस कर गए, लेकिन दोबारा वही फुटवर्क का ज्यादा इस्तेमाल नहीं, गेंद के लाइन कीपर वो नहीं आए, जिसकी वजह से मिस कर गए। और विकेट कीपर बिल्कुल अपने हाथ को तैयार रखते हैं। ऑफ साइड पर 4 खिलाड़ी एक चक्रव्यूह को रचाकर खड़े हैं। शॉट थर्ड मैन पर एक है। ये गेंद बहुत बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक है, फील्डर गेंद का पीछा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मैं समझता हूं कि वो गेंद को रोक पाएंगे और उन्होंने पीछे के फील्डर को ये जिम्मेदारी सौंपी। दौड़ते हुए गए, उन्होंने देखा कि वो सीमा रेखा के पार जा रहे हैं, जल्दी ही उन्होंने पिछले हाथ से गेंद को पीछे की तरफ ढकेल दिया और जो फील्डर बैकअप कर रहा था, साथ दे रहा था, उसने गेंद को उठाकर बिल्कुल अंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तर के मैचेस में जिस तरह होता है आउटफील्ड में, वही दृश्य देखने को मिला और उन्होंने थ्रो कर दिया। इस दौरान बैट्समैन के पास कुछ रनों को बटोरने का समय, रन बढ़कर 4 पर, पहला ओवर प्रगति पर है। ऑन फील्ड अंपायर इस वक्त आत्माराम और पटेल, हरीश पटेल मौजूद हैं। जितने सारे चारों अंपायरों की प्रशंसा करनी होगी, इतना आसान नहीं है। दूर से दिखने वाला पर्वत बहुत आपको अच्छा दिखता है, सुंदर दिखता है, जब आप चढ़ते हैं तो पता लगता है कि कितने पसीने छूटते हैं। ये शानदार काम ये चारों अंपायर कर चुके हैं और आयोजनकर्ताओं की तरफ से धन्यवाद उन्हें देना चाहूंगा। ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर थी, दोबारा उसी लाइन को मिडलर ऑफ स्टंप के लाइन पर थोड़ा सा पीछे हटे, बल्ले पर आने दिया, फिसलने दिया, 1 रन से अपने खाते को बढ़ा चुके हैं। ओवर समाप्त हुआ, पहले ओवर के समाप्ति पर रन बन चुके हैं 5, जबकि कोई विकेट, कोई आघात, कोई क्षति अभी नहीं हुई। आप देख रहे हो जीपीएल 2020 और इस मैच के पश्चात पहला, हालांकि पहला ही होना चाहिए, जोक सपाट वो फाइनल मैच जिसका सभी को इंतजार है। पिछले 3 दिनों से उसी मैच का इंतजार सभी कर रहे हैं कि कौन पहुंचेगा फाइनल में और कौन जीतेगा ये खिताब, जो हर साल बड़े पैमाने पर बनाई जाती है। यूट्यूब पर देश विदेशों में जो देख रहे हैं वो बस इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि आखिरकार कौन जीतेगा ये ऐतिहासिक क्रिकेट श्रृंखला। हालांकि इस क्रिकेट श्रृंखला में अलग अलग कीर्तिमान बनाए गए, रिकॉर्ड्स बनाए गए। ये बात अलग है कि फाइनल पहुंचने के बाद जीतेगा कौन, ये बहुत सबसे बड़ी बात है। शिवानंद स्ट्राइक एंड पर आ चुके हैं। शरद दूर वाले छोर से, नेत्रावती छोर से उनकी गेंद ओवर द विकेट, स्टंप्स के दिशा में आई, टप्पा खाकर थोड़ा सा अंदर की तरफ। बैट्समैन ने गेंद को देखा और पूरी तरह से बैकवर्ड पर आ गए, बल्ले पर आने दिया। बल्ले का मुंह खोलते हुए शिवानंद ने थोड़ा सा सम्मान दिया गेंद को और उसके पश्चात वो दोबारा तैयार हो रहे हैं। ये गेंद आक्रमण किया, ड्राइव कर दिया, पंच किया और मिड ऑफ क्षेत्र में डीप में गेंद गई। गेंद के ऊपर आ चुके हैं गेंद फील्डर, 1 रन लेने का अवसर मिलेगा। रन्स बढ़कर 6 पर पहुंच चुका है। दूसरा ओवर प्रगति पर है, कोई विकेट अभी नहीं गिरा, जबकि लक्ष्य मैं आपको बता चुका हूं कि कुल मिलाकर 58 यानी कि 58 रनों की दरकार है इस मैच को जीतने के लिए। बहुत अच्छी गेंद, बढ़ गए 52 रनों की दरकार 33 गेंदों में, 33 गेंदों में 52 रनों की दरकार। थैंक यू। स्कोरर स्टैटिस्टिशियन इस वक्त मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं, सचिंद्र जी। इस बीच गेंद अच्छी गेंद थी और थोड़ा लंबा को गैदर कर चुके हैं, रन लेने का अवसर नहीं है। मोटी मोटी छाव मैदान पर गिर रही है, जो फील्डर्स मौजूद हैं। फ्लडलाइट की शानदार रोशनी में नहाता हुआ मैदान, क्रिकेट का उत्साह जो चारों ओर दिखाई पड़ रहा है। रक्षात्मक तरीके से सम्मान दिया दोबारा बैट्समैन ने, रन लेने का अवसर बिल्कुल नहीं है। अपने फॉलो थ्रू में गेंद को उठा चुके हैं, जबकि दोबारा आक्रमण पर तैयार। ओवर द विकेट, इस छोर से अच्छी गेंद मिडल और लेग स्टंप के लाइन पर थी, घूमकर ऐसा समझे बगैर उछालने का प्रयास किया। तिरछा खेलना चाहते थे, बीट हुए पैरों से टकराई, हालांकि अपील भी ना हुई। उसके अलावा ओवर समाप्त हो चुका है, तो ओवर की संख्या बढ़कर पहुंच चुकी है 2 पर। 2 ओवर के समाप्ति पर 6 रन बगैर किसी नुकसान के आप देख रहे हो जीपीएल 2020। क्या शांत वातावरण है, स्तब्ध हैं दर्शक। कहना यही होगा कि उनकी धड़कनें बल्ले और गेंद से जुड़ी हुई हैं। भले ही मैच इस वक्त तीसरे स्थान के लिए खेला जा रहा है, लेकिन वो मैच का आनंद भरपूर उठा रहे हैं। देखना चाहते हैं कि आखिरकार तीसरे स्थान के लिए कौन पहुंचेगा, कौन हकदार है, कौन डिजर्व करता है, डेडली पैंथर्स या फिर मुंबई की पल्टन्स। आज हाल मैं जानता हूं कि ये दोनों टीमें बहुत ही सक्षम हैं। उनको निराशा हुई कि फाइनल में वो जगह नहीं बना पाए, लेकिन जितने सारे दर्शक देख रहे थे, उन्होंने प्रशंसा की कि इन सारे टीमों में वो क्षमता है कि वो ट्रॉफी को जीतें, लेकिन किसी एक को ही जीतना होता है, ये नियम है। और इस वजह से जो बेटर है, जो डिजर्व करता है, वो आगे बढ़ा। और उसके पश्चात देखना होगा कि अब इस मैच के पश्चात फाइनल में कौन जीतेगा। आइए इसके 23 ओवर पर आते हैं। तीसरा ओवर शुरू होने जा रहा है। इस छोर पर गेंदबाज तैयार हो रहे हैं। आदित्य भाई स्ट्रेच करते हुए तैयार हुए, स्टेप निकालकर ओवर द विकेट। उनकी गेंद शिवानंद को उछाला, कैच होगा। फील्डर गेंद के नीचे आ गए, उन्होंने गेंद को कैच कर लिया। इसी के साथ पहला झटका। क्या बात है, शानदार धुन। और श्रेयस प्रभु ड्रम्स पर बहुत ही शानदार धुन बजा रहे हैं। और बहुत बारीकियां होती हैं स्ट्रोक्स के पीछे। शिवानंद ने जिस तरह से स्ट्रोक लगाया, मैं समझता हूं कि चाहे वो अच्छा बल्लेबाज हो, चाहे अच्छा गेंदबाज हो, अपने प्लस को, अपने स्ट्रेंथ को उसको जानना चाहिए कि वो अपने कदमों पर अच्छा खेलता है, रिस्ट पर अच्छा खेलता है, आक्रामक स्ट्रोक्स में उसका प्लस है या फिर डिफेंसिव। और जिस तरह से शिवानंद ने स्ट्रोक खेला, मैं समझता हूं कि शायद थोड़ा सा हवा से विपरीत दिशा में खेला। उसके अलावा प्लेसमेंट भी शायद उतना सही नहीं था, क्योंकि जहां पर फील्डर थे उसी क्षेत्र में उन्होंने गेंद को उछाल दिया। थोड़ा और ज्यादा घूम जाते तो शायद बात बन सकती थी। ये गेंद घूमकर लेग स्टंप के बाहर गई और फील्ड की गई है। विकेट कीपर ने गेंद को संभाल लिया। बैट्समैन थोड़ा सा मिस कर गए गेंद को। रन लेने का अवसर वैसे भी नहीं है और रन अभी भी 6 पर स्थिर है। तीसरा ओवर प्रगति पर है 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर। सीधा प्रसारण दूर देखने को मिल रहा है और जो दर्शक बीच बीच में स्कोर को जानना चाहते हैं, अगर कहीं मिस कर गए हो तो एलईडी स्क्रीन सामने दिखाई पड़ रहा है। बड़ा एलईडी स्क्रीन लगाया गया है, उस पर आप स्कोर देख सकते हैं, रनों का लेखा जोखा। 6 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर। और द विकेट इस चोर से अगली गेंद उछालने का प्रयास, कैच होगा। एक और मौका बन सकता है लेकिन फील्डर काफी डीप में है, एक्स्ट्रा कवर डीप में है। जब तक कवर और एक्स्ट्रा कवर के फील्डर गेंद तक पहुंच पाते, गेंद नीचे गिर चुकी थी और 1 रन लेने का अवसर बैट्समैन को मिला। 1 रन के साथ कुल रन संख्या बढ़कर 7 पर पहुंच चुका है 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर। आदित्य गेंद को लेकर तैयार हुए श्रीनिवास के लिए। उनकी गेंद देखा, थोड़ा सा इंतजार किया और क्या जबरदस्त प्रयास है। भले ही गेंद को वो पूरी तरह से फील्ड न करें, उन्होंने जो प्रयास किया उससे लग रहा है कि वो मैच में अपना सब कुछ देना चाहते हैं। बहुत अच्छी फील्डिंग का प्रदर्शन। पॉइंट में थोड़ा सा डीप, जैसे ही बैट्समैन ने इंतजार करते हुए गेंद को धीरे हल्के हाथे से पुश किया, दौड़कर गए, थोड़ा सा डाइव लगा लिया, गेंद को रोक कर थ्रो करना चाहते थे लेकिन इसके बीच 1 रन जो कि पूरा हुआ। रन बढ़कर 8 पर 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर। अतुल स्ट्राइक एंड पर हैं। आदित्य की गेंद और द विकेट। इस बार थोड़ा सा परिवर्तन, शायद मिड और लेग स्टंप के लाइन पर थी और उछालने का प्रयास किया लेकिन बैट बल्ले के निचले हिस्से से लगकर गेंद गई फील्डर के दिशा में ऑन साइड पर। स्क्वायर ऑफ द विकेट। 1 रन लेने का अवसर बैट्समैन के पास। रन बढ़कर 9 पर है जबकि 1 विकेट गिर चुका है। आदित्य दोबारा तैयार हो रहे हैं और श्रीनिवास स्ट्राइक एंड पर। क्या कुछ होता है। ओ द विकेट, एक छोर से गेंद उल्टे हाथ से गेंद को खेल दिया, कैच होगा। गली क्षेत्र में फील्डर तैनात है, उन्होंने गेंद को कैच कर दिया। जीपीएल विकेट। थैंक यू डीजे और श्रेयस, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आइए मैच पर आते हैं। चौथा ओवर शुरू होने जा रहा है और शरत गेंद को लेकर तैयार हो रहे हैं। नेत्रावती छोर से ठंडी हवा चल रही है और अब थोड़ा सा धुंध चारों ओर दिखाई पड़ रहा है। आकाश अंधेरों में डूबा हुआ और जैसा मैं पहले कह चुका हूं, फ्लडलाइट की दूधिया और सुनहरी रोशनी में नहाता हुआ मैदान, मानो धरती पर कोई चांद उगाया हो। उस छोर से गेंद ओवर द विकेट। गेंदबाज तैयार हुए। ये गेंद देखा स्टंप्स के लाइन पर थी, अपने आप को पीछे ढकेल दिया बैट्समैन ने। गेंद के लाइन के ऊपर आ गए, बल्ले का मुंह खोल दिया, हल्के हाथ से गेंद को धीरे से खेल दिया। सिरा लेकर गेंद गई। इससे पहले के फील्डर गेंद को उठाते, विकेट कीपर आ जाते। 1 रन चुरा लिया बैट्समैन ने। रन बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है 10 पर 2 विकेटों के नुकसान पर। रन धीमी गति से बन रहे हैं। इतने सारे दर्शक हैं और चाहते हैं कि कुछ आतिशबाजी हो जाए, कुछ विस्फोटक धमाकेदार स्ट्रोक हो जाए। इस बार उछाल दिया, शानदार स्ट्रोक बाउंड्री लाइन की दिशा में, लेकिन इतने आसानी से जी हां बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर गए 4 रनों के लिए। जीपीएल चौका। थैंक यू। गौतम का करारा स्ट्रोक, उल्टे हाथ से खेल दिया, लेकिन इस बार फील्डर है उनके हाथ से छूट करके बाउंड्री लाइन की दिशा में जा रही है, लेकिन दोहरा प्रयास, पीछा किया उन्होंने और रनआउट का मौका बन सकता है। जी हां, इसी के साथ एक और विकेट। डीजे थैंक यू, धन्यवाद डीजे को और श्रेयस प्रभु को। और अजित भट्ट आ रहे हैं। गौतम आउट होकर पवेलियन लौट गए। और हर एक विकेट में जो गलती होती है उसको सुधारा जा सकता है। देखकर अगली बार जिस तरह से आपने देखा, पहला रन, दूसरा रन अगर बनाना है तो पहला रन इतनी तेजी से दौड़ो कि बहुत दूसरा रन आसान बन जाए। और मिस फील्डिंग पर अक्सर देखा जाता है, रनआउट के मौके बन जाते हैं। ये गेंद बहुत अच्छी गेंद थी, बैट्समैन को छोड़कर निकल गई। ऐसी गेंद जिसको समझ नहीं पाए कि बैकफुट पर जाएं या आगे खेलें, और बल्ले को हवा डालती हुई गेंद विकेट कीपर के पास गई। इस बार ड्राइव कर दिया आसानी के साथ, एक रन लेने का अवसर है। इस एक के साथ कुल योग बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है 16 पर, 3 विकेटों के नुकसान पर 16 फॉर 3। गौतम जिस तरह से आउट हुए वो शानदार स्ट्रोक गौतम लगाने के पश्चात थोड़ी सी चूक हुई। हालांकि इस बीच ये गेंद, एक और रन लेने का अवसर बैट्समैन के पास है। इस एक के साथ रन बढ़कर पहुंच चुका है 17 पर, 17 फॉर 3। एलईडी स्क्रीन पर थोड़ा सा करेक्शन किया जाए, 17 फॉर 3, 17 हो चुके हैं 3 विकेटों के नुकसान पर। जबकि चौथा ओवर समाप्त हुआ। 4 ओवर की समाप्ति पर 17 रन 3 विकेटों के नुकसान पर। आप देख रहे हो जीपीएल 2020, ये मैच इस वक्त तीसरे स्थान के लिए चल रहा है। ये द्वंद्व, ये युद्ध चल रहा है बल्ले और गेंद के बीच में। जीतेगा कौन, कौन पाएगा वो तीसरा स्थान, ये सुनाने के लिए आगे माइक्रोफोन पर सुरेश भट्ट जी से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो आगे अंग्रेजी में विवरण दें।
Thank you, Ajay. So welcome back to this Sahyadri College ground. So 41 more runs required for the victory now. Only 18 balls remaining. Aditya Pai balls this one to the right-handed batsman. That ball keeping very, very low, surprising the batsman. The batsman doesn't know much about delivery. The ball bent the stumps, so no runs taken, no addition to the total. Score remains on 17 for the loss of 3 wickets, and we are in the 5th over of the innings. As the next delivery from Aditya Pai from the Sahyadri College, and balls this one to the right-hand batsman. That ball beats not only the batsman but also the wicket-keeper. And meanwhile, leg bye has been signaled by the umpire. The 2 umpires officiating for this match are Harish Padil and Atmaram. Harish Padil is the main umpire there, and Atmaram is standing at the square leg region as the square leg umpire. 2 experienced, recognized umpires from DKCA, that is from Dakshina Kannada Cricket Association of Mangalore. So match is going on here between Mumbai Paltans versus Deadly Panthers for this 3rd place of Puzalana GPL Trophy 2020. And it's clean ball. That is the beauty of the bowling. Fantastic, perfect delivery. Batsman looking to play across the line of the ball, and ball hit. So Deadly Panthers Kodial Bile need 41 runs from otherwise the newcomer there come out to the center, taking guard from umpire, and he is ready to face Aditya now. Aditya from the Sahyadri Engineering College, and balls this one to the right-handed batsman. Stepped out very quickly, gently pushing the ball onto the onside. Played the shot elegantly to the silly mid-off region before the fielder at silly mid-off collects it, there is ample time for both these two batsmen to go for an easy single. This is the Puzalona GPL Trophy 2020 limited overs tennis ball floodlight cricket tournament is being conducted by Kodial Sports Association of Mangalore. Turned away nicely onto the onside, but there is a protection in the deep. There is a fielder, good piece of fielding by the fielder at long on. He collects the ball. So batsmen have to satisfy with only a single here. So that is the end of the over number 5. So after the completion of 5 overs, Deadly Panthers Kodiarbile are still struggling at the score of 20 runs. 20, and they have lost 4 important wickets. So Deadly Panthers Kodiarbile need 38 more runs in the remaining 2 overs. This is not an easy target for the team because the bowlers of Mumbai Paltans are doing excellent job here. They are bowling with perfect discipline line. Their captain Sharat Prabhu is very smart. He has got plenty of experience. So he has been playing a sheet anchor role for their team, leading from the front. That's a quicker delivery. Very, very fine delivery. Or the off stump and batsman not getting the line of the ball. On that occasion, wicketkeeper Sharat Prabhu collects the ball by the stumps. He was very quick. Rest of the job is done by the wicketkeeper. He returns the ball back to the bowler. Once again, the ball is in the hands of the bowler, Aditya. For the second time, from the river end, in the left arm, round the wicket fashion, he goes for a big one. Ball was in the air for a while, but he finds the gap there. He found a vacant region there. The fielder at long on comes and picks up the ball. Meanwhile, these two batsmen have completed a single comfortably here. With the help of the that single, Deadly Panthers Kodialbile's score slowly moves on to 21. Cool atmosphere here today at Sahyadri College ground. Crowd is more than expected. We can see some colorful banners all around the ground. Again, a quicker delivery there. Very good piece of wicket keeping there by Sharat Prabhu, standing quite close to the wickets. The bowler Aditya is bowling with very good line and length that he's not giving any room for the batsman to play. And the batsman has to improvise his batting now. He's really finding some difficulty in facing his Aditya's deliveries. Once again, Aditya continues. Steers it down to third man region, angling the face of the bat. Long chase for the fielder there. Aditya is the fielder, collects the ball, but before the fielder picks up the ball, these two batsmen were very quick. Good running between the wicket, aggressive running between the wicket. And this is the kind of running between the wicket we need in the limited overs matches to put the pressures on the fielders as well as on the bowlers. So Kodial Sports Association of Mangalore are organizing this wonderful cricket tournament here. That is Puzalana GPL Trophy 2020. The final match will be played after this match between Iruvatturu Sports Club against Kodial Super Kings. Meanwhile, ball is in the air. It could be out as the fielder is underneath it and is out.
You see, oh, why does it feel so good? So good to be there. 'Cause if there's trouble that you're looking for, oh baby,
Again, a very fine delivery. Good over from the bowler. The ball taking the leading edge of the bat, and wicketkeeper Sharat Bulli making no mistake, caught it very beautifully. So Deadly Panthers are really losing their hopes, and Mumbai Paltans are slowly marching towards the victory here. Parking lot antu KA19MF 4164. Alto Karacha lights on us. Alto Karacha lights on us. Parking lot antu KA19MF 4164. Ajje owner ana ದಯವಚ್ಚು ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೊರ್ಕಾಮಣ್ಣು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೆತ್ತಸ್. So 6 overs have been completed. Last over to go of this innings now. 6 balls remaining. 35 runs required. So Mumbai Paltans are slowly marching towards the victory here. In the semi-final, they were defeated by Kodiyal Super Kings. But in this game, a great comeback by the players of Mumbai Paltans. Their batsmen, Prasad and Sharat, captain, made their intention clear in the way they decided to bat first and played a sensible innings. And also he employed his bowlers in a right manner. Their players are doing right job at the moment here. So Deadly Panthers are really losing their hopes. They played very well throughout the tournament, but unfortunately in this game they couldn't do much. Bowler continues from the Sahyadri College end. Handsome looking cover drive, but there is a fielder at gully region, so he picks up the ball. So nothing much can be done for Deadly Panthers Kodiyal Bile. Another 33 runs required. Only 4 balls remaining now. He goes for a big one. It could be 6. No, it is a catch. The fielder at long off region, making no mistake, caught it beautifully. So cheeky single in between, and only 2 more balls remaining of their innings now, and they are short of 32 runs here. 32 runs from 2 balls, which is not possible, I can say. Bowler continuing from the Sahyadri College end. Bows this one to the right-handed batsman. Again, he goes for a big one. It could be out as the fielder is underneath it, and he's out. So Deadly Panthers, Kodiyal Bile have lost another wicket at a score of 26 runs. So last ball to go of the final over of the innings now. So Mumbai Paltans, what a great comeback by their team. They are trying to pull a sensational victory over Deadly Panthers to become the 3rd place winner of this Puzalana GPL 2020, which is being well organized by Kodiyal Sports Association of Mangalore under the leadership of great leader, our MLA, Shri Vedavyas Kamath. So that's the end of the innings, and what a magnificent and deserving victory for Mumbai Paltans. They have pulled a sensational victory, a great victory for the team, and they are the 3rd place winners of this Puzalana GPL 2020. So within a short while from now, we have a great final match between